Fani Loubser. I am the area manager for Colas South Africa in Gauteng, and we're a specialist supplier of bituminous emulsions and modified binders and a road surfacing contractor. The last few years, my team and myself have been focusing a lot on servicing residential communities or the needs of residential communities, mixed-use developments and sectional title complexes. We have found a unique niche in this space where people didn't really know how to maintain roads or look after roads, and through that we've also now moved into focusing on developers with the establishment of new roads and new ways of thinking about surfacing the roads within your development. Because we are specialists in our field and we have a 90-year track record in this business with a lot of international backing, a lot of proprietary products, unique solutions, we do a lot of the lab work ourselves in terms of creating mixed designs for certain applications. We are trusted within the roads industry as one of the leaders or authority in road surfacing technology. Colas South Africa is also uniquely placed in terms of bitumen supply and security within the South African market, which in the next few years is going to become a new issue within the road construction market, is the supply of bitumen, and it being one of the biggest contributors in raw material to all road surfacing that we do. Colas has a large bitumen storage depot based in KwaZulu-Natal, where we can store the type of volumes that we require to keep supplying our own factories as well as some of our clients who use bitumen to manufacture asphalt or use bitumen for other applications like surface stabilization and so forth. With 90 years of experience, I don't think there's a problem out there that we haven't seen or solved as yet.